Hey guys, I am back with a highly requested skincare video. I'm going to show you what Skincare Sunday looks like for me. So first step is my Like a Virgin Cold Cream Cleansing Bar. I like to start with this first because I feel like it gives me a deep cleanse before I actually wash my face. This one has extra virgin olive oil in it, jojoba oil, lemon essential oil, so it's going to be very brightening, moisturizing, and protective. So I rub it all the way in and let it sit. I also like to use paper towels to wipe my face, just so I'm not cross-contaminating as I go through each step of my skincare routine. Next step is my Herbalism Gentle Exfoliator. This is something I use on a daily basis. This one is clay-based. It also has ground almond to help exfoliate. Then it also has chamomile and rose to help soothe and balance. This one is also filled with rich vitamins and minerals, so it's again going to be very brightening. I rub it all the way in, especially focusing on my eyebrows, my cheeks, and my neck. Next, I'm going to do my cup of coffee. It literally smells like coffee. It has coffee and cocoa, which stimulates and again brightens. It has vanilla that soothes and moisturizes, and then it also has agave syrup, which is the humectant. It's going to draw moisture to the skin. So again, it's going to be very brightening. Anything that's brightening and makes my skin look flawless, I absolutely love. Next step is a mask. This one is from LUSH. It's called Don't Look at Me, and it's going to be, guess again, brightening. This one has ground rice to help exfoliate. It also has lemon juice, and it also has the mirror butter that's going to help to protect and moisturize. I'm bringing it all the way down onto my neck, and I let it sit for about 15 minutes. And as you can see, it really does scrub, but it's gentle enough. I only do this one about once a week, maybe twice, depending on how my pores look. As you can see, the skin is looking really nice and smooth, but I do have some problem areas I do want to focus on. I'm going to take an eye patch and a sheet mask. I keep these in the freezer, so I'm going to use my hands to warm it up. The eye patches have collagen, so it's going to help for puffiness and dark circles, and they feel so good. Next, I'm going to take that red ginseng sheet mask and just lay it on my face. Y'all, keeping it in the refrigerator is the best thing ever. This one is going to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging while revitalizing and brightening. Leave it on for however long as you want. So once I let it sit, I take the sheet mask and I will rub what's left on it all over my face, under my eyes, my neck, all the way down to my chest. So I will rub this all the way in until I can't feel it anymore, because I'll let this sit on my face for about 5 to 10 minutes as well to let it absorb. Then I'm going to take my Lavender Witch Hazel. It's going to help to shrink my pores, and it's going to help to soothe. It's also anti-inflammatory. Don't forget the ears, y'all. Wipe behind the ears. Let this dry all the way down. Then I'm going to go in with my favorite Lightful C Softening Lotion. This one, y'all, is like heaven. It literally plumps your skin up. Your skin feels like silk under your hands. I'm going to go in with eye cream number 1. Yes, eye cream number 1. This one is from STRIVECTIN. It's going to help with dark circles. It's going to help with wrinkles as well. Here's the second eye cream. This one is my favorite. This one is from Estee Lauder. It's Advanced Night Repair Eye. Butter. Like butter. So I'm going to put it under my eyes, take it all the way around all the way to the brow bone. Then whatever else is left, I'm going to take and rub on the areas that are prone to wrinkle, my smile lines, and my forehead as well. Serum time, Advanced Night Repair from Estee Lauder. This one has hyaluronic acid, so it's going to help with fine lines, pores, wrinkles, and also with hydration and plumping the skin. I'm going to take my refreshing spray mixed with turmeric oil from a brand called Pure EUPHORIX and spray before I add my moisturizer and my essential oil. The moisturizer is from First Aid Beauty. It's cucumber melon. And the essential oil is lavender. It has peppermint. It has eucalyptus. It has tea tree. And then I think it does have lemon in it as well. So I'm giving myself a real good massage, and I'm focusing on those natural contours. Y'all, you can snatch your own face. If you do this at least once, maybe twice a week, you will definitely see a difference in how tight your face looks. Gonna take a little bit more oil because I like my skin to glow, y'all. Like, I love my skin to feel glowy. I don't rub it all the way in. I kind of let it just sit on the skin and let my skin naturally absorb it. Remember those problem areas? I'm going to take straight tea tree oil on a Q-tip and really focus on those areas. And instead of rubbing it in with my fingers, I'm just going to take a cotton pad and dab it in. Last but not least, my lip mask. Y'all, I just added this to my skincare routine and I love this. And there we go. Y'all see the glow on the skin. You see the lips popping. I hope you all enjoyed and found some tips that you can use in your everyday skincare routine. See you later. Bye.